we're back, and what I want to do is just kind of dust off all this mess that I made down here on this bottom part, because we're going to go ahead and finish this craps table down here. So I've got some white royal icing and yellow royal icing, and then off the internet I just went ahead and printed this up so I could kind of see where everything goes. So you can do this in fondant if you want. If you want to spend more time on it, doing it with fondant, it'll look nicer. But like I said, this cake is taking a long time, so we're just going to do it with royal icing here. All right, so I've already made where the lines go, so I'll just go ahead and pipe. This is the white. Okay, so now let me check this out. Now I need to write in here pass line and all this other stuff. I'm not going to write everything. I'll just do like the pass line here, probably some of these numbers and the numbers up here. I'm not going to worry about. I've noticed different craft tables, they don't always have everything on here. Like some of them don't have some of that stuff. So okay, I need to cut a couple of these. I've got little square cutters here for the little die. Let's see, probably only be able to fit one in there. And a couple right here. And according to this, there's a couple up here also. Let's see, right in here. And I'm not going to worry about the other side down there because you can't really see it. Okay, so after that, let's see, what else do we have? We need to write craps and field and these other numbers. So this is the yellow royal icing. Just dried out a little bit at the tip. Okay, so right in here I need to write field. And then over here there's, let's see, 6. And an 8. And then right in this area, craps. Okay, so now to trim this up here, I'm going to use the red fondant. Just kind of put a red border around it. So I need to roll this out in pretty thick strips. So what I can do is use these skewers as a guide. Place the skewers on either side, and then when I roll it, it'll all be the same height. Cut it with the ruler. And a little bit of water right down here. So I get enough of this one for the front and the back, and then I'll have to do the sides. I can even take the ruler like this and kind of even it out with the ruler.